If you have many tabs in your Excel sheet and you want to track based on its color, then I'm going to share with you a very useful and simple VBA code. With this VBA code, you can simply select the status of the sheet from green to red, hit refresh key, and this will automatically change the color of tabs. For the next sheet, for example, I want red to orange, hit refresh key, and it will automatically change the color of tabs. The first thing in this VBA code, you just need to define the name of sheet which contain the tab's name. The second variable, the column which contain the name of sheet. So in this case, column B contain all of the sheet name. So you just need to change B, P, and this P if you have another column which contain the tab's name. The next variable is the offset value. In this case, I just use 1, but if you have status column, let's say on column D, and the sheet name contained on column B, so 1, 2, you just need to define 2 instead of 1. These are the 3 color I use: red, green, orange. The name of red, green, orange must be exactly the same as used in VBA code. If you want to add another condition, simply copy the 2 line, Ctrl C, hit enter, Ctrl V to paste, little bit format, and in this case, I want to add condition for blue. Now to get the color of blue, you can simply insert anywhere the blue color you want. For example, I want this blue color. Now go to Fill, More Colors, and you can see RGB 47, 117, and 181. 117, 148. Save the code. Now if you change the status of any sheet from red to blue, hit refresh key, it will change the color of tab for selected value. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel